Here's some information about EV motors and transmissions. Most EVs today use a single-speed transmission, a one-speed gearbox, a direct drive, or whatever you want to call it, due to the unique characteristics of the EV motor. That's because electric motors are much more powerful and efficient than their ICE equivalents. Electric motors don't need a very specific range of RPM to be powerful and strong. They can do it at any RPM, give them ample torque at any speed, including right off the hop. According to the laws of thermodynamics, combusting anything is a very inefficient form of energy transfer. EV motors can rev up to 20,000 RPM, where your average ICE engine maxes out about 6,000. And not only that, EV motors can get up to 10,000 RPM in a microsecond, it seems. That's why many EVs use a one-speed gearbox. If your EV has one-pedal driving or regenerative braking, the electric motor gets spun in reverse to act as a generator, conserving energy that is normally lost to heat due to friction with your brakes. A few examples of EVs with a one-speed gearbox are Tesla Model 3, Y, S, and X, Nissan Leaf, Chevy Bolt, Ford Mustang Mach-E, BMW iX, Audi e-tron, VW ID3 and ID4, and so on and so forth. Interestingly, the Porsche Taycan uses a single-speed transmission for the front axle, but for the back axle it uses a dual-speed to maximize acceleration and top end. The Porsche Taycan is also dual motor, one for each axle, and all-wheel drive. The new Hyundai Ioniq 5N uses a single-speed transmission, but it uses software to enhance the experience. It mimics an 8-speed transmission by altering the torque at specific RPMs to give a physical jolt feeling, and also pumps in sound from 10 speakers to make noise from acceleration, ignition, and cornering to give a more exciting ride. EV motors and their single-speed transmission are a tremendous advancement in engineering. They're so simple, the powertrain has been refined so much, they're so efficient, they're really cool. And all of this was made possible by switching from gas to electricity. Pretty neat, eh? If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you and keep cruising!